What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video segment of how to improve the storage space in your truck. This may apply to other vehicles. I really don't know what's out there for SUVs and things like that, but just surf the web and see what you can find. Maybe there's something you can use for your own vehicle. But this specifically here today is for my 2018 Chevrolet Silverado C71 4x4. I'm gonna be installing 2 storage boxes in the bed. What I specifically liked about these storage boxes is that you can install one on each side of the bed, so it doesn't interfere with the length of the storage space. Another thing I really liked about these toolboxes is that when you open the tailgate, they can swing out and you can conveniently access whatever you have in your toolbox, whatever you need to get, instead of other type of toolboxes where you need to climb onto the bed before you can reach the things in your toolbox. So yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna be working on today. Let's get started. I started by mocking up the boxes to see how they're bolted on, and then I assembled them. I tightened the bolts by hand to avoid stripping them. I used 2x4s to separate the box from the bottom and to keep it level at the same time. Then I aligned the box to fit perfectly against the edge. Then used the supply bolts to drill a bracket on and tighten them by hand to avoid stripping them. With those 2 bolts supporting the bracket, we can now remove the storage box to install the remaining bolts. Remove all of the bolts and apply Loctite thread locker on each bolt. This will provide a sealant to prevent rust and corrosion, and it will prevent the bolts from loosening due to vibration. It should be perfectly aligned there, but in case of anything, the latch is adjustable. Mount on the toolbox, and that's it with this side. Now we can follow the same procedure to install the opposite side, and we're done. Another cool feature of these boxes is that you can quickly remove them if you need to, like if you need the extra space or to take them to your job site. And you can also place a lock here to prevent theft. Here you can appreciate how the main cargo area is still available for whenever needed. The top of the toolbox can also be locked. That is the end of this video, guys. How to improve the storage space in your truck part 2. Make sure you're subscribed to be notified for when part 3 comes out.